Go up the last, but you don't need to push the bicycle. You can take the minus button and then it's pushing for you. 6 kilometers, you know. So if you use this minus button on your control for this el-kit, bicycle el-kit, you're pushing, holding down, and then it's going to stop it. Maybe I must take down to the 1. I think that. Holding down. Not the same. You can see the same. So if I get serious. But this was very heavy. So wait a minute. My God. It's very heavy. I try. Okay. Nearly there. I have this tree. Coming corner. Assistant 3 at 1.5. I will take the glasses to look in this camera. Still going. Camera still going. Take this down. I think it's a battery on the telephone is gone. Yeah. I know that was too little. But you see this mountain there was very big for me. So if you get these lung problems, you don't need to press you. Take it easy. Take the other way or go down from the bicycle, and you can use this plus or minus button to push a little down. I think it's something like 6 kilometers on that button. They helped me to take up the bicycle from the keller. That was very good for me, but one thing I think they want to think about on this bicycle kit is that they can adjust this speed down to the 1 and 2. You know, something like from 1 kilometer to 6 kilometers. So we have a button, external button to have this helping button, because 6 kilometers is too fast to do that, you know, to get this bicycle up from the keller, and too fast to go between, then you have lung problems, you know. So you should have this button, even the button for to setting this speed for then you go between the bicycle. I think you should change that. You make this bicycle kit and display. Think about these people who have the handicap. It's very good for us. 6 kilometers too fast. That's sliding, because I can't go between the bicycle and 6 kilometers. My lungs is not so good, so it's too fast. But okay, we continue the bicycle. I'm setting a 5 now because I will come up this mountain. Then I can set down to the 3. I will go through here. Take right here. I think. I take right. I'm waiting for my moped. They say that this moped should coming to me before 19 April. If we see, also put that. Okay. Ooh. Yeah. Little humpy there. Humpy dumpy. Okay. It's very careful because stones can be heavy stones. I don't know. I don't think I have a take down to 0 here now because I want to have a little fitness. As a fitness, it's very nice word for this in English, maybe, but don't say that in Swedish.